Hi everyone, this is a little video that I'm doing to demonstrate a problem. For this problem I put up also this repo to demonstrate the problem. I will leave the link inside the issue that I'm about to file. And there is already an issue filed, but it's a little bit messy, and I'd like to do another issue to group them all because there are several issues. This one is the 15,370, and it's a slightly different version of that problem, because in this problem there is at least a string logged in the console, the string router outlet destroyed. And this happens when you actually nest multiple Ion router outlet components. Let's see the code of this repo that I've already cloned and started in the app. And okay, we have the app routing. I started this project with the starter template, and we have 3 routes and 2 pages from the starter. And I expanded further the list page with 2 pages that are the first and the second one. And the first has also another page, the inner first. Then I've created for the list page a routing module with these 3 routes. And then the first page has another routing module configured for the inner first page. Okay, so the first links I put up in the list page are these 2, the router links that links to the first page and the second page. And and then I've done the same thing in the first page HTML that will allow me to navigate towards inner first. So let's see in the Ionic app. I did Ionic serve as usual, and I can navigate, of course, in the through the root routes. And if I go in list, I have these 2 items, 2 router links where I can click and navigate. So I can click in the first, for example, and if I go back, I cannot click anymore in order to access the routes inside the list routing module. And the only way to make it work again is to navigate again through the root routes. Then, as you can see, I can click again in the first link, and it will work. The problem here, the weird thing actually, is that I'm able to navigate even further, clicking through inner first. But if I go back, of course, I have the same problem and I cannot navigate again in the previous page. The only way, as I already said, to make it work is to switch between these 2 routes here. And so, as I was saying, there is a particular, here we have nothing logged, like router outlet destroyed. We have nothing logged because we are not wrapping the pages with an outlet. What I mean by this: in the list routing module, I was used to do something like put up here a component that its only element in the template was an Ion router outlet. In this way, I was nesting multiple Ion router outlet, and then something like list outlet. And then in the children, we would have the routes that you see here. This problem, this structure led to this problem, the exact same problem in the 15,000 issue, and router outlet destroyed was logged in the console, but removing the nesting of the router outlets removes also the logs. Thank you for taking the time of watching this video, and I hope you'll fix it as soon as you can.